Hi, I'm your airport guide.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Welcome to the airport today.
Thanks, I need some help.
What do you need to know? I'm here to help you.
That's very kind.
What's your name, please?
My name is John.
Nice to meet John. Do you have passport?
Yes, I do.
May I see it?
Here you are.
Thank you, John. Now check in.
How does it work?
Show your passport.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Now go to security.
Where is it?
Over there.
I see it now.
Follow the signs. Remove electronics.
What electronics?
Laptop and phone.
Okay, got it.
Put them here. Now take off shoes.
Why take off shoes?
For security check.
Okay, got it now.
Put them in bin. Now collect your stuff.
Where are my shoes?
In the bin there.
Okay, got them now.
Let's move to gate. Now let's go.
Which gate is it?
Gate number 17.
Is it far?
Just down there. Let's go this way.
How far is it?
Just a short walk.
I see the gate.
Just salt. We are almost there. We are at the gate.
What do I do now?
Show your boarding pass.
Here it is.
Scan it over there. Now scan your pass.
Where is it?
Over there, please.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Now find your seat.
Which one is it?
Look at your ticket.
Okay, got it.
Need help with bags? Here, let me help.
Thank you very much.
Put it up high.
Like this, okay?
Perfect. All set. Now watch a movie.
How do I start?
Press this button.
What's this channel?
It's a music show.
I need help.
What's wrong?
My seatbelt.
Let me fix.
Thank you so.
Almost landing now.
My bag, please.
Here you go.
Thank you again.
Have a safe exit. Now collect baggage.
Where is my bag?
Over there, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye. Now go to customs.
What do I do?
Show your passport.
Here it is.
Thank you, sir. You're all set now.
Thank you so much.
Have a safe trip.
You too. Bye.
Hi, sir.